Number 3, how to identify my risks. So the personal risk, just to recap, what can you afford to lose? And then is your money going to get to your objective? And so it's kind of like you have to do a backwards calculation and figure out how much is my money going to grow to meet my priority objective. And if it's underselling it, you are going to have to go out of your comfort zone or educate yourself in being more confident about your investment decisions. And that's what I really want to promote here, is just understanding what you're getting yourself into. And realize building wealth takes time and money and patience, a lot of patience and a lot of emotional, a lot of emotional fluctuations that will happen. And it's an emotional roller coaster. Today was a down day. It made a lot of people very sad, but it happens. And it's just like gravity. And for whatever reason, the down days seem really tragic, but most of the time the market is going up. But it's important to know how to just structure things around it. And you know what? It's important to acknowledge that you can't control everything. The best we can do is just, take an educated guess and diversify what you can control and put measures into place to structure it so that you can feel comfortable about going forward and know that you have a confident investment strategy in place that's going to take you to where you need to go.